come today in front of me new iPad Air 2022, and I'll show you how to change icons shape on this device with X Icon Changer app. So first we should go into the Play Store to get the X Icon Changer application. And now we have to get this application, so tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. It always takes 5 or 10 seconds, I don't know, maybe I got just poor internet connection here. Okay, now just open the app here, click continue, click allow, and now we can select one from these applications available on our device, and we can just change the icons here. For example, we can go with the contacts. Here you can see a lot of different icons, the folders with the different icons here. And now, for example, we'll select one from these icons. I'll go with this one, and here we can also rename this application. We just selected this icon. Now just click here to OK, and to add to home screen you should click here on this icon and tap to add to home screen. Now just click here to add, and you can see that we got here the new contacts icon. As can you see, this is the difference. That's our old contacts icon and this is the new one. And that's it. That's how to add customize the icons on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.